Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior video channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In this particular video of Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021, I'm going to be going over what to do when solo ads vendors approach you on social media. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from Rumble or YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So whatever business that you're marketing right now, in particular, if you're marketing an affiliate marketing business opportunity, you will know that it's very important for your business to leverage paid marketing. Now, one of the most easiest paid marketing strategies that you can use as an affiliate marketing beginner are solo ads. Now, I actually did a separate video not too long ago explaining why solo ads are the best way to start paid marketing for your business. You can actually find that on my YouTube channel, and I'll probably hyperlink it in this video right over here as a card somewhere around in this video. Now, back to the topic at hand. What has happened in the past for me personally and for some other people who are also marketing their business online is you will tend to get messages by solo ad vendors who will want you to do business with them. They'll want you to buy their traffic. Some of them will even say that their traffic is the best thing that will get you results, that will get you leads, that will get you great opt-ins. They'll make all these claims. But if you're a beginner and you're watching this for the first time, you just got started building an affiliate marketing business, the number one rule to always follow is you never ever want to do business with solo ad vendors that directly approach you. You never want to do business with solo ad vendors who directly approach you. The reason why is if you do business with solo ad vendors who reach out to you from the first point of contact, you don't do your research and you don't know what questions to ask these solo ad vendors, this could lead you to losing a lot of money real fast, and you're going to have very little to no results to show for it. Now, I'm not going to name any solo ad vendors in particular, but let's just say that there have been a handful of bad solo ad vendors who will claim that their traffic is the best thing ever, who will tell you that, oh yeah, I have these testimonial videos that show my clients getting good results. And make sure that when you're doing business with solo ad vendors, you always want to do your research first. So never do business with solo ad vendors who directly approach you first. And if they do approach you and you decide that you want to see about using their traffic, take this time to do either one of two things. Ask that solo ad vendor if you can test 100 clicks for free in exchange for a testimonial video. Now, you will probably get laughed at for asking for such a request, or they will simply turn you down. I know that's happened to me in the past, but think of it this way. Those solo ad vendors that are doing business right now online, they need you more than you need them. If you look around all the solo ad vendors that are selling online right now, there are plenty to choose from. So don't get stuck thinking that you need to do business with this one particular vendor. Because if one vendor gives you a hard time, then move on to the next one. If they simply turn you down, just say, okay, well, I'll go somewhere else, and all the best to you. Another thing that you can do, aside from asking for 100 to test 100 clicks for free in exchange for a testimonial video, is you can also negotiate. Whatever they charge for the CPC, you can negotiate. for a lower CPC to run paid traffic. That's very important, because what I will tell you from experience and from getting coaching and mentorship, just to give credit where credit is due, where I learned this from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman, is you never want to pay more than what you actually can. So in other words, you never want to pay more than what you actually need to pay for. So for instance, if you can get, say, a traffic clicks package, let's say 200 clicks traffic package for 38 cents CPC, if you can negotiate to that CPC cost and get the solo ad vendor to sell that traffic package to you at that CPC, do that. Don't pay more than what you actually need to. Now, if you want to learn how you can actually do this, this is what I would like you to do. There are, and down below in the video description, some online marketing resources that I believe you will find very valuable. Click the one that best suits you, and be sure to opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so that you can learn how to start marketing whatever business that you're promoting right now, or market a business that has been converting, that has already a done-for-you system in place, and all you need to do is learn how to market it and start building the lifestyle of your dreams that you know you deserve. But none of that is all possible unless you actually check out the links down below in the video description right below this video. So I encourage you, check out those links right now. Don't hesitate. Be sure to click on the one that best suits you, and be sure to get on the inside. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Don't forget what was said here about my tips about what to do when solo ad vendors approach you. Keep those tips in mind going forward, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.